How to add Instagram Reels to a Facebook page. Well, hello everyone, welcome into the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can add Instagram Reels to Facebook page. Well, the process is simple. First things first, you'll have to connect your accounts in the account center. So simply open up your Facebook page, or you can open up Instagram here and you can proceed to connect it. Head into settings. Once you head into settings, you want to head into account center. And now you'll be able to see connected experiences, your information and permissions. You can see manage accounts, tap on it. Now you can tap on add account and proceed to add in your Facebook account here. Now I've already added two different Facebook accounts, so you can see I do not have the option, or you can head into Facebook page and select the option to enable that options. Now what you want to do next is you want to open up Instagram and go to settings again. Once you have connected your account, now this step is right, head into account center again, then head into connected experiences, head into sharing across profiles, and now make sure sharing across is enabled from Instagram to Facebook, and you can add account here as well directly so you can see. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.